Hey folks, welcome back to Muscle Cars of Texas. I know you've seen this car in previous videos, but this one here, I mean, it's cool. 64 Corvette with a street shop frame underneath it, LS3, 5-speed automatic. I mean, vintage air, all the bells and whistles. We've even put electric windows in the doors, all sorts of stuff. But I've been working on the AC system, which happens to be a vintage air system, which is really a very good system. But needless to say, they didn't send us all the hoses correct. I mean, the system that they bought and brought to us was a system for not a custom car, just a plain Janer 64 Corvette with a small block Chevy in it. And so that the hoses, you know, were gonna fit and that kind of stuff. Well, needless to say, when you have something like this, none of it fits like it's supposed to. So I'm having to cut and mang-dangle and figure out how I'm gonna run these hoses so that they kind of hide. Heater hoses gotta be put in here. And none of that stuff was, you know, when you buy the kit, none of it is what you want. So, you know, I've had to make the bracketry for the condenser. I had to reconfigure that whole situation. All the plumbing, it's close to being bent, but I had to rebend it to fit what we had to do up front. All this plumbing, it runs up in through here and into the system out there. None of it fits like I want it to fit and disappear. You know, we like to have these engine compartments very clean. So I had to make new hoses, all the heater hoses I have to make. So anyway, heater control valve, electronic, very cool setup. But I'm trying to hide it all so you have a really very clean engine compartment. And I mean, I'm working and I'm working and I'm working every day. So, folks, if you got something, you need something, you want something, and it's got to be really cool like this, you know where to bring it, right here at Muscle Cars of Texas.